On the first day of 10th grade, I got detention for a year for a prank I didn't commit. And now I have to break rules to try and prove I didn't break any rules. It's risky, but does have its rewards. Like rocking out with the Dudes of Darkness. I have to admit, that was pretty cool. The thing is, I heard they made the song that played during the prank. They didn't actually make it, but they did have a live recording, and now I have it. But the song puts people into a weird trance. I seem to be immune to it, but is it actually safe for me to listen to? I don't mind putting myself in harm's way to find out, but... oh man, do I have to?
Chuck E. Cheese's proud supporter of PBS Kids, helping them learn how to throw, bounce, spin, kick, and jump for joy. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
Detentionaire is funded in part by a ready-to-learn television cooperative agreement from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
I don't wanna take the heat, no, now gotta go solo. I don't wanna do the time, so I just gotta take what's mine, whoa. Walking a fine line, keeping control, deep in the cut, ready to roll. Are you friend or are you foe? Now I gotta go solo.
Even if it does mess me up, I have to listen to it. And it's not like it could make me feel any worse right now. What was that? Someone saying, switch the bag?
Good morning, Enigma High. I'm Tina Queen.
And more importantly, I'm Chaz Monteranian. And in case you weren't horribly aware, a terrible flu is ripping through the school. But this is one student who won't be going down without a fight. How's my hair?
Oh, Lee don't look so good.
I think I got what everyone else has.
Have some of Mama's germ go bye-bye pie. Make you strong like ox. Handsome like ox, too. It's made from beluga gills and chicken legs with a tad of wild nixel nort. You know, so you no get snotty in the face mouth.
As with all common flus, it's best to drink plenty of water and get lots of rest.
Olga eat extra so no get sick. Me no miss big special premiere of movie Space Zombie Virus 3. First 100 people getting cool space zombie masks.
Is it the Chilean pigeon flu? The Parisian fruity fruit flu? The dreaded space zombie flu?
Enigma High, it's just a normal, everyday flu. No need to panic.
No panic now! Before the coughing, sneezing, itchy butt cramps, and crazy hallucinations turn your brain into space zombie goo!
Okay, you snot tripping, cough splatter, and ah! Whenever I get sick, my robot parts get all loop-de-loo. Listen up! We might all be as sick as Sam Dog, but I'm not going home to Mama, and neither is anyone else. We ain't gonna let some eeny-meeny chicken linguini virus beat us. We stay the course. We're Enigma High.
Principal Barrage, shouldn't students who are sick go home?
No one leaves! Not even the germs!
I'm infected!
Coming through! Keep your greenies to yourself, ick faces! Whoa, close one! Everyone is like mucho sick to the max! Whatevs. You guys ready for space zombies and all the brains you can eat, or what?
Back off, zombie menace. Space Marine Holga stop you.
Achoo! Oh!
Your father ate my dog.
Yo, Ping, what gives? No, But you too.
Oh, Lee is kaflovershankt, ja?
Oh no, Lee's sick too? But free space zombie masks, bro. And mucho. Oh well, sucks to be you, Holmes.
Yeah, everyone's sick. Maybe it's a side effect of the prank song.
Okay, wait, first you think the song, like, hypnotizes people, and now you think it makes you sick? You're paranoid,
Joseph
Floyd.
Stern and Ed McSweeney.
Tell me you guys are seeing the Tazelworm tap dancing too?
Lee's brain is geflipperflopt.
Dude, this is just like the movie. First the coughing, then the sneezing, itchy butt cramps, and then hallucinating thingies, and you turn into space zombies. Chaz was right. This is the space zombie flu, bro. For reals, yo.
There is no space zombie flu, and Chaz is never right.
Oh yeah, muchacha? I read all 8 books of the trilogy, okay? And everybody knows if it was in a book, it has to be true.
What are they two doing?
Attention, you walking mucus membranes!
I'm late for detention. Gotta go.
I might be too darn sick to patrol the halls, but that don't mean I'm not watching your every move. Now rest assured, I can see every spasm on your pathetic little spleens.
Goodness, Principal Barrage. Instead of spying on everyone, shouldn't we be letting these poor, sick kids go home and rest?
Never! I will not tolerate insubordination, Vice Principal!
Double detention, which gives me plenty of time for sweater making. Turns out Mr. Rumple was really Mrs. Rumple. Now her 6 new kittens are gonna need name tag sweaters so I can tell them apart.
Do me a favor, listen to this. It might be dangerous, but if you want to take a chance, just tell me if you hear something weird. Sounds like switch the bag, right?
I don't know. It's so hard to tell since I'm so hypnotized. Dude, I'm just kidding.
Seriously, listen. I don't get it. How come we're both immune to this?
Dude, I don't think the Tazelworm's a fan of your taste in music.
Hey, my phone! Did you see that? The monocle? The mustache? He winked at me!
I think the flu's eating your brain, man. Seriously, dude, you're too sick to be in secret spy man mode today.
Don't worry, I'm... Sneeze-tastic. If my mom finds out I lost the phone I begged her to buy, it'll be...
Yeah, okay, plus you need the song, I get it. Just stop sneezing on my kitty sweaters. Hold up. Synced. Go get him, snotty. Little guy's moving fast. Whoa! Look out! He's coming at you. Dude, lunch is over. Better get to class before Barrage finds out.
I gotta get my phone back. I need that song. It's a major clue.
7 hours to the movie, bro. We gotta somehow avoid all this mucho sickness or we're never gonna make it.
Cam, me is scared.
Me is scared too, bro.
We need to get out of here before we turn into them.
Ow! Space zombie flu!
Yeah, exactly. We're all doomed. Chaz is out of here.
Oh, he's right. If we don't get out of here too, we're gonna turn into space zombies before we even get to see space zombies.
True, and that will ruin movie if Holger already knows the ending.
Dude, what's up?
Almost had my first shave, and my last. Where's the Tazelworm now?
The next right. Oh, and left. Lee? Yo, Lee, Tazelworm got your tongue? Lee!
Sorry.
Slow down! Pick up the pace! You're late! You're early! Socks up! Shoulders back! Darn germs! Get off the monitors! Ow! Oh! Colonel Von Virus. I should have known you were behind this!
Guten Tagen, Herr Barrage. We meet again. And now I release your disease-infested students on the world.
I don't think so, Colonel! No one gets out without this! Come on!
Where am I? Biffy? Is this real?
Looks like you've taken a tumble. May I offer you a claw?
You can talk?
Of course I can talk. I can dance, ta-da. I can sing, but I hate that song you were playing. Come along now, and I'll show you why.
Wait, it's the fever. I'm dreaming all of this, right?
Ah, go, go, go! Well, I'm pretty sure locking the doors breaks most of the fire code rules.
What about the escape from zombie rules, bro?
Ugh, locked? But I have a note from my mom.
Oh, come on, let us out! I am way too handsome to throw up all over myself.
Stop! We need another way out of this zombie infestation. What would Lance Pinto, the star of the zombie movies, do?
Duh, get a new agent?
Go to roof?
Exactly! Come with us. We won't let any flu zombies chew on your super hot Chiquita brain.
So, Herr Barrage, first I owned you, and now I own the remote. And soon I will own the whole world!
Own this, you diseased pussbag! Ah! A weakness at last! Hazmat Squad, disinfect Protocol 18! Scrub the school down! Double tap!
Dad?
Shh.
What's he mean?
Popcorn is ready, but shoes are too tight.
No, bro. The exit.
Ew, grossness.
Ah, we're surrounded. It's everyone for themselves. Ah! Okay, this is it. Have to say something meaningful on the spot. Wow, so unfair. This will probably be my last broadcast, okay? If you're listening, I've probably had my gorgeous brain devoured like expensive dessert. Please just remember me ponder my greatness and my teeth.
Will you shut up already? I'm supposed to be the drama queen.
Ja, I would like the ham sandwich. Thank you, please.
No, grab those soakers, bro. Grab Chaz, let's go. I know, I'm pretty awesome, right?
Come on! To the roof!
Please don't kill me. I didn't bring you all the way down here to kill you.
What is this?
It's a brainwashing room. The teenage mind is so rubbery.
Whoa, the prank song? Everyone listened to it and now they're all sick. Of course, it all adds up. The song gave everyone the flu.
No, the song puts people into a trance, yes. I hate it. I heard you playing it from all the way down here, but the flu, it's just the flu. But it is highly contagious, so I'd appreciate it if you didn't sneeze on me again.
Right. Why doesn't it affect me? Or Biffy?
You're both unbrainwashable. It's like how some people can curl their tongue and others can't.
You might be able to beat me, but you'll never defeat my army!
Now I'll never get to my hair appointment.
Chance of survival? Not good. We're the only healthy ones left.
Hey, yo, no, it's cool, man. No, I just have, like, allergies and stuff.
No, you don't. You're like sick. Holger, disinfect him or we're next.
Oh, just do it!
No, please, I'm totally fine.
So what is all this for? What's this?
It's something you've been looking for, my boy. The truth.
This is all about me. Hey, I don't remember being there.
It's all a big game, my boy. And you have a very big role to play in it. Don't you see? They're trying to... No, seriously, it's not what you think, man. It's Chaz's cheap cologne.
What are you waiting for, Holger? Soak up!
Come on, Holger. You want to go to the space zombie premiere whatever thingy, right? Spray him!
Holger wants zombie mask.
Come on, do it! Soak him and send him back inside with the other zombies. It is the only way to stay safe.
Don't do it, H. They're gonna suck my brain out in their homes. It's the only one I got.
Cam, you are my BFF till old man times, but...
Oh, come on, Holmes.
Is that the best you got? Because I got more than that! I will return, and the vengeance will be all mine! Class, he smells!
Spray him!
yours. I can go home, Mama. I made it through the day without getting sick. Sweet victory is Chazzy's. Oh, ow, ow. I'm okay. I'm Chaz Monteranian. Oh, great. Sniffles. Fantastic.
Whatever.
Bro, you weren't really gonna, betray me, were you?
Me go now before Cam makes me kafluffershankt.
Floofershank me? Never, dude.
What? How did I get here? The file.
Lost you back in the vents. Where'd you go?
I don't know. There was this room in the Green Apple Splat and the Hypnotizing in the Towers where we can talk, and my dad was there?
Right. What about your phone? You know, maybe you're right. Maybe it does say switch the bag.
Yeah, but who switched the bag? That's what I want to...
Goodness, Li Ping, you go straight home right this instant. You're way too sick for detention today.
Achoo! Cough.
Nice try, Biffy T.
I say boo to you.
Ghosts say boo, Holger. Zombies go, We've been over this like 100 times, dude.
No worries, friends. Looky, masks for everybody's. How was detention time, Lee?
Too weird to explain. I think I just crashed and slept all day and then had this really weird dream.
Hey, kiddo, I hear you got the flu.
Dad? Were you at school today?
At school? I was at work all day. Why?
Oh, no reason. Night, Dad.
Good night, son.
Wow. So I really did dream the whole thing.
Where do you think you're going?
4 shows, 2 hours, 1 place.
Come on, gang!
Let's go!
Are you in?
PBS Kids.
People think karate's fighting, but karate's courage, respect, discipline. You have to control your body and your mind. It's a world of its own, and I'm the master.
PBS Kids, go! Emphasize rhythm. Exercise rhyme. Jump in, skip around. Do it in time. What is it? Take a guess. Hold on, find out. Here on PBS. PBS Kids, go!
Word Girl! Todd, Scoops, Ming, and Becky Word Girl Boxford scour the big city searching for stories. In the grocery store.
Hey, I could go for a sandwich. You?
You mean like a sandwich? Like a sandwich just like a sandwich, you know? I mean, I know what a sandwich means, but...
What?
You know, I'm not hungry at all.
Oh, okay.
Well, that about does it.
Great! What is it?
The best sandwich press the world has ever seen, and I invented it. Watch. Must have been a faulty sandwich.
That baby could crush a car. Seems a bit extreme for a sandwich press, though.
I don't think it's extreme at all. I think it's more... Wait, what's the word? I know it.
Loud, obnoxious, totally destructive?
Kind of, but I was thinking of something more positive.
Just get it out of here.
But you need this machine.
No, I'm pretty sure I don't.
Well, maybe this will convince you. How's this for extreme? Hi, can I help you?
I think I'll have your number 4.
Okay, let me just press that for you.
No, thanks.
Really, it's no bother.
No.
It'll take 5 seconds.
I don't want it pressed.
Hi.
Hi, what would you like?
Did you tie that man up and put him on that,
Sandwich press?
That seems a bit extreme.
My machine is not extreme. What?
I said I didn't want it pressed.
Well, extreme means going beyond the usual limits, and looking at this sandwich, I would say that extreme seems to be the right word.
Sorry, I'm hungry.
See? That was an extreme hunger pang.
You think just because you're Word Girl, you have the right word for everything?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Well, my name is Chuck, the evil sandwich making guy, and I'm gonna make a sandwich out of him.
Can Word Girl stop Chuck, the evil sandwich-making guy, from turning the store manager into a squashed sandwich? Should Chuck, the evil sandwich-making guy, have chosen a less extreme name? How many times can I say Chuck, the evil sandwich-making guy, without getting sick of saying Chuck, the evil sandwich-making guy? Find out next time on another installment of Word Girl!
Goodness, Li Ping, you go straight home right this instant. You're way too sick for detention today.
Achoo! Cough.
Nice try, Biffy T.
Okay, come on out, Rumple Kitty Cat, Snugs, Whiskers McGee, Blinky, Flufflepuff, Snacky, and Pukehead. One more week till you're all off to your new homes. No! Snugs! Hey! Isn't that Li Ping over there? Jerry Cute Snuggles, come back here! You are in so much trouble right now! Woo! All right, Snugs! Hey! Oh! Whoever hijacked my computer is going to pay!
At pbskidsgo.org, you can play games and share your thoughts. And you can also go figure. That's where you go to find out stuff. But not regular stuff like the names of state capitals or how many feet in a yard. It's where you find out really cool behind-the-scenes kind of stuff and strange facts, like the name of the president who weighed more than a baby elephant. And who wouldn't want to know that? So go figure at pbskidsgo.org.
To learn more about Detentionaire, visit us online on pbskidsgo.org.
Did you hear about the Detentionaire?
This just in. Former nobody Li Ping starts 10th grade off by pranking the entire school.
And that makes him hot.
Holger friend Lee from school gets super detention for all the year. Sad. Holger cry a little.
Yeah, but we look cool next to Lee looking cool, and that's, yeah, cool.
You better watch your back, Ping.
Dude, that was awesome. Everyone's talking about Enigma High's newest bad boy, the kid who pulled off the biggest prank in high school history, Li Ping.
Yep, that's me. But I totally didn't do it. So now I gotta break the rules to prove I never broke any rules. Somehow, some way, I will find out who set me up. Until then, call me the Detentionaire.
Solve a mystery with Detentionaire. Weekdays on PBS Kids Go.
PBS Kids, go! Work out with a rhyme. Skip, skip, keep fit. Jump rope. PBS Kids, go!
Chuck E. Cheese's, proud supporter of PBS Kids, helping kids discover the more you learn, the more you'll jump for joy. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
Detentionaire is funded in part by a ready-to-learn television cooperative agreement from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.